2 levels house for sale by Scopas Real Estate and Construction. This property is located on the northern side of Paros Island in the most central point of Naousa traditional settlement. With a total gross building area of 70 square meters, on a plot of 56 square meters, built in 1870 and fully renovated in 2015. It includes 2 bedrooms and a bathroom on the top floor, a living room, dining room, kitchen on the ground floor. Great roof terrace overlooking Naousa port, with the ability for a small splash pool. The stone building is a blend of traditional Cycladic architecture, whitewashed elements with large windows overlooking the commercial street, the port, and the sea, which is right on your doorstep. Ideal for a holiday home or an investment holiday rental opportunity. Spectacular 120 degrees views over Naousa Bay, northwest orientation, in one of the most famous sunset spots of Paros. Accessibility by a pedestrian street. Electricity, water, internet network available. 10 kilometers from the Paros port. 18 kilometers from the airport.